Welcome back to our kitchen reno series. So we have just painted all the kitchen cabinet doors a beautiful, bright, fresh white. And the next thing on the chopping block is the tiled splashback. So this one has seen better days. And we're gonna, again, use the Dulux Reno range to give it a bit of a glow up. It's a 1, 2, 3 step system. So we need to start with cleaning and priming. So we're gonna go in with our sugar soap, give it a really thorough clean down twice, and also the Selleys Rapid Mold Killer on all the grout lines. Make sure there's no grease, grime, mold left anywhere there. Give at least 2 hours for the grout to dry before applying the primer. And we also want to remove the old silicone, so everything is bare, ready for its new paint job. Then we'll go in with the primer. So we're gonna cut in with a brush, roll with our 4mm roller, to get a beautiful even finish on this and give it 4 hours dry time. Then we get to the exciting part, the top coat. We are going with white here. We want it to really blend in with the walls so you see through the kitchen and you focus on that beautiful view behind me. The only thing we're going to play with is the sheen levels here. So we're going to make the tiles glossy so they reflect light around the room. They have that little bit of subtle difference from the low sheen walls and the satin finish on the kitchen cabinets. We're going to do 3 coats of this one just to cover these pictures with 8 hours of dry time between each coat. And then once that's done, we put beautiful clear coat in the gloss on top to finish it off, to seal it. There's little kids in this kitchen, so there's going to be lots of wear and tear, and we want to make sure this splashback is just as hard wearing as our beautiful cabinets that we've just painted. In this series, we're also going to be painting the bench top. So once that step's done, we'll come back in with our Selleys wet area silicone, re-silicone all the joins as the finishing touch to this beautiful new kitchen, ready for the homeowners to enjoy.